Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the content that you want to MKT Care software. So this is my software I go using to manage my Facebook account. So first, here you can see is account management. So with this function, you can add and manage unlimited Facebook account that you want. So first, I will select the account that you want here. And here you can choose the account that you want. Choose login. And the software will auto open console and auto log into the account that I choose. Okay, so basically this is the way that I manage my Facebook account. So to add the content in this software, first I will close the browser and go to content management. So here, so first you need to create a new category by choosing add in here and enter the name of category that you want. And after having the category, I will choose export to add the new post. And first I will select category, and next I will choose the type of post that I want. So you can choose comment, messaging, post, seeding, share, reel, marketplace, story, or live stream. And next I will enter the post title in here and the content in here. After that, you can enter the direction or not that you want. Next, I will select the upload image or video, and I can choose the image on the folder. After that, I press save to save my content. So after having a list of content like this, we be a successful at adding content. Also, basically, I just show you how to add content that you want into MKT software. So basically, I just show you how to add the content that you want into MKT Care software. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software for more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about automation software.